Good day, everyone. How's your day going? Today our topic is about Dove soap. Dove Care and Protect. The second one is Dove Original Beauty Bar. Let's begin. This Dove Beauty Bar has 1/4 moisturizing cream and mild cleanser. Dove brightens the skin, leaving you with soft, glowy, yet firm skin and smooth. You can use Dove on your face and body. This Dove Care and Protect, designed to protect skin from dryness. Dove combines a nourishing formula with antibacterial properties, removes 99% of bacteria in seconds, and moisturizes skin for hours. Summary of benefits: gently cleanses skin, removes dirt and oil from the skin, hydrates skin, reduces skin roughness and makes it look supple and soft, minimizes skin breakouts. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Please subscribe and like. Stay blessed.